All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and get our call underway. We thank you all very much for joining us. My name is Craig Jackman. I am with the Sales and Marketing Department here at Amega Worldwide. And tonight's topic is going to be on amized fusion technology. What is amized fusion technology? A lot of people ask that question. Well, it's a proprietary technology that's solely developed by the Amega Global Research and Development Team, comprised of a group of scientists. There are also doctors and physicists, and this was developed over a 25-year period using the principles of quantum physics and quantum mechanics. Now, our technology is based on zero-point energy. It's a concept that was discovered by Albert Einstein and a group of scientists back in 1913. And this technology has been around for nearly 100 years. Amega Global simply took this technology and learned how to harness it. Now, if you take a look at the monitor in front of you, there you go, you see two images on your screen, both pictures of a human cell. Now, the body itself has over 70 trillion of these cells. The image on your left is a picture of the energy given off by a normal cell. Take a look at the image that's on the right side. This is a cell that has been energized with the amized fusion technology. I want to ask you a question. Which one of these cells would you rather have in your body? By looking at the images, probably the one on the right, right? Right, since that is the one that is energized. As we continue through this call, we're going to try to keep things as simple as possible. We're going to try to keep things in layman's terms so that we're not going to get too complicated. We're not going to go into real deep depth into this technology, just so that you understand what amized fusion technology is all about. What's amazing about this technology is that in general it affects every one of us and everything around us, and it starts right here with Mother Earth. Now think of it like this. Mother Earth, our planet, has a magnetic field that surrounds it and protects it, and without this magnetic field nothing would survive. It protects us from outside influences like the sun. And it's a powerful protection against something that is, quite larger than us when you think about the sun. So powerful that the sun would literally fry us if this magnetic field wasn't in place. And not only does Mother Earth have this energy field surrounding it, but we do too. We have an energy field surrounding us. In fact, all living organisms have a field of energy that surrounds them. It is this energy that helps keep us intact. This is our bioenergetic field, or as many know it to be, the aura. And it protects us from all sorts of harmful energies. Our bioenergetic field is the blueprint of our energy system. Balanced and unhindered flow of energy is important to health and wellness. And keeping the energy flowing and balanced is one of the most important things we can do in our lives. This we must do ourselves. No one can do it for us. So how do we do this? Well, wellness is an optimum state of balance. Being humans means that we need to have a balance of our physical, our social, financial, spiritual, environmental, intellectual, and emotional centers. It's all about being a person who has that balance. That is what the self-care evolution is all about. So here's the next question. How could I enjoy wellness? Well, if you want to enjoy wellness, the first thing you need is to have fresh and energized air. The air we breathe is most important. However, we spend almost 90% of our lives indoor, in our homes and offices, filled with pollutants, viruses, bacteria, and so on. To also enjoy wellness, we need pure and energized water, water that supports our bodies, not water that is contaminated or processed, water that gives us the life force energy we need. The third part of wellness is the need to have healthy and nutritional food. No more of that fast food lifestyle, processed foods, and so on. What we need is a healthy and nutritional food that is highly energized. Of course, we also need healthy and rejuvenating quality sleep. This is not about going to bed for just 8 hours, but a really good deep sleep that revives and rejuvenates our body. We also need to enjoy wellness, sufficient and regular exercise. This is what also energizes our body. No matter what it is, getting out for just 30 minutes a day, that is all part of enjoying wellness. And finally, the proper handling of stress and a healthy state of mind, keeping the thoughts moving forward, not getting stuck on bad things, but moving on with all of the good thoughts. This also affects our wellness. And if you have this wellness, you have energy. Your wellness, your well-being is directly related to your quantum energy, or your energy quantum. How do you feel? Okay, how do you perform? How do you handle stress? How you manage your life has a lot to do with your energetic level, your energetic quantum, your self-care evolution. Now let's take a look at our body and break it down. From the body, we go to the limbs. From the limbs, we go to the organs. From the organs to the tissues. Break the tissues down to cells. The human body, on average, is made, as mentioned before, of 70 trillion cells. And what makes these cells work? Well, if we go further, we break the cells to molecules, molecules to atoms, atoms to electrons, protons, and neutrons at final level. And what are electrons, protons, and neutrons? They are energy. 70 trillion cells powered by energy, a bundle of energy. Every living thing, every human, you have a life force energy that surrounds you. It's called the human bioenergetic field, a self-directed, intelligent system that keeps the information and energy flow at optimum balance. However, keeping the body balanced is becoming more and more difficult. Lack of energy causes our body to be imbalanced. Energy blockages and energetic interferences from external factors also cause our bodies to go out of balance. Environmental pollutions, electromagnetic fields, electrical interferences, lack of nutrients in our soils, sound, noise pollution, etc. Right now, for example, you are sitting in front of a computer screen. That's one energy blockage, or that's affecting our energetic interference. We use cell phones every day. You may be sitting under fluorescent lighting, which has an effect on our bioenergetic field. Microwave ovens, many of our now common everyday household items we take for granted are bombarding our bioenergetic field and creating holes or gaps in our aura. Those holes or gaps are where issues in our body occur. And these are not only some of the things that cause the body to be imbalanced, which in turn can result in disorder to the body. Disorder causes our body to be out of balance, which in turn affects our thoughts, emotions, and overall well-being. In other words, humans are a subtotal of our thoughts and emotions. Everything that we sense is energy. Our thoughts are energy. Our emotions are energy. Our sight is energy. Our feelings, our emotions are energy. The food we take, the nutrients in that food is energy. The air that we breathe is energy. The water we drink is energy. Everything in and around us is energy, and we are energy. And that energy needs constant support in order for us to be in a state of wellness and optimum balance. Now, to help us reach that balance, wellness equaling energy and energy equaling wellness, Amega Global has produced a line of total wellness products energized with the latest quantum technology, our very own proprietary amized fusion technology, and products that support your quantum wellness from air to water to nutrition to personal products. What is amized fusion technology? Well, it's a proprietary technology where any human or other living organic matter is energized to resonate at a zero-point field energy. Now, this is the source of all life creation. Products that have been energized using this technology have been put in a highly specialized chamber and energized for 21 days. This is where the quantum physics takes over and gives these products their energy, their zero-point energy. The energy to help restore the distortions in our body's bioenergetic field and bring about a balanced or homeostatic condition. Now, to give you more of an understanding about how the amized fusion technology works, let's take a look at the screen. There we go. And in front of you, you see two images using a GDV device or gas discharge visualization device. This GDV device shows a person's aura or bioenergetic field. And in this example, you can see the image on the left is someone's bioenergetic field prior to being influenced by our amized fusion technology. Notice the gaps in the aura and the spaces. Now look at the image on the right side. This person consumed one of our products, Amgenix DNA, and this is the image that was taken 30 minutes after drinking it. Look how solid the aura is. Isn't that an amazing difference? Isn't this the type of energy you want from your body? That's also what's in our other products, not just our Amgenix DNA, but our AmWand, Am Water Actify, Am Pendant, Ega True, massage oils, and so many other products that we have. Amized fusion technology solidifies and fortifies our body's bioenergetic field, and that is the state you want your body to be in all the time. Amega Global products offer you a complete wellness solution or total wellness, and products designed for your personal wellness, your environmental wellness, and your nutritional wellness. Let's take a look and take some time to go over some of the amazing products with our exclusive amized fusion technology offered by Amega Global. The first is our flagship product, the AmWand. It's a pen-like looking device of stainless steel. It contains crystals and minerals inside the chamber. We also have our newest version, which is our black tip AmWand. This one contains diamond dust as well as the crystals and minerals in the classic version of the AmWand. But the black tip adds about 30% more energy to the device because of the diamond dust. But that doesn't matter because the classic AmWand and the black tip AmWand are both effective. The energy comes out from the tip of the wand to a distance of about 30 meters. So how does this work? Well, honestly, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know. We don't know. We know that something happens. Think of it like this. Think of it like a cell phone. It doesn't matter where you are or what you're doing, whether you're in Canada, the U.S., in another country, in a city, your home office, at play, wherever. You know that you can send a text message or email to someone else using that same device, or even make a phone call. Do you actually see the messages flying out of your phone? Do you actually see them coming back into the phone from somebody else? Do you really understand what it takes for this technology to work? Not really. You just know it works, and you know that if you push the buttons, it works. Same kind of thing. So what do you do with this AmWand? Well, you simply wand any part of your body. If you're looking to help reset your body's normal ability to function as it should, just point the wand at the location of issue and rotate the wand in a clockwise manner for just a few minutes. Now, we cannot make claims that the AmWand and any of our other products can heal the body from its problems, but we can say that using the wand can help bring the body back into balance or homeostasis so the body can do what it was designed to do with the abilities we already have if we are healthy. And 1.6 million people worldwide in 5 years that are using products on a regular basis, you know, that says a lot when it comes to the use of our products around the world. The testimonials that we receive on a regular basis from those using the products are just mind-boggling as to what this product has been able to do. And wanding is not just reserved for the body either, but for anything you eat or drink to increase potency, to reduce acidity. It also energizes creams and oils for better absorption of nutrients. You can wand practically anything that is ingested into the body, and it will have a more positive effect than before. Now on the screen you see a series of demonstrations that we can show you, and you can learn to do yourself with others to show the effectiveness of the AmWand and some of our other products as well. One of the videos that's available on omegaworldwide.info features our wine test, and with one of our founding members, Yusuf Ben Lucif, in addition to the other tests and demonstrations. So you have it right there. Now, if you're with us on the call, I'd invite people to purchase a wand if they don't have it. If they do have it, start using it. And let me give you an idea on how to do the wine demonstration. Now, this is really amazing. You take 2 glasses of wine. Get a cheap bottle of wine, okay? Pour equal amounts into both glasses. Set one of those glasses aside. Wand 1 glass just over the top. You don't have to put the wand inside the glass, just over the top. And do the wanding for about 30 seconds. Then taste the first glass of wine. Then set it aside, take the other glass that was the unwanded glass, and go ahead and drink that. You should taste a difference between the two glasses. One will probably taste more acidic, the one that you didn't wand, or more tart, if you will. This is a great example of taking a cheap glass of wine and turning it into a finer tasting, more expensive tasting wine. And you can do this with scotch, vodka, or a lot of other different products. I had a gentleman in our offices earlier today who noticed the difference just on the wine. You'll taste the incredible difference too. Now, you could do this also with a lemon using the lemon test. Same thing. Slice lemon into thin wedges and separate them so that one half is wanded on one plate, another half remains as is. Then bite into the pieces that you wanded first, then the ones that you didn't wand. You should experience a lesser tart or less acidic taste in the one that you did wand than the very first one. I remember doing a demonstration here one evening, and person who took the lemon bite first, normal face, maybe just a little bit tart, a little bit sour, but then when she bit into the unwanted slice of lemon, her face, you know that face when the lemon is just so sour. That's the difference. That's what occurred, and that's how well the lemon test works. Basically, in layman's terms, here's what happened. The AMWAN with its crystals, minerals, and the AFT technology has changed the molecular structure of the wine or the lemon and reduced the acidic levels of these products. So that is why you taste the difference of what's happening because of our technology. And again, as I mentioned, you can see other ways to even test the product and show how it works. The videos are available on amegaworldwide.info. Click on the training tab and then click on demo videos. Now let's talk about another product that Amega Global has. In fact, this product alone could be $1 billion product just by itself, and it's called Amgenix DNA. There's a lot of companies out there that have superfood type products, but there's nothing like this. Amgenix DNA has been developed with our proprietary amide fusion technology and using a form of technology called nutrigenomics. Think of it as nutrition talking to your genes. And without going, again, so far into this technology, which we can do another presentation on, and we have done that, nutrigenomics is based on the science of epigenetics, and it's a revolutionary new study in the field of health, using food to literally switch on and influence your genes' functions. So revolutionary that Time magazine even did an article on this called Why Your DNA Isn't Your Destiny, and how epigenetics reveals that it's not so much about your past that influences your life, you know, the hereditary thing, but your lifestyle and consumption. And this product contains sulforaphane. It's a powerful substance that comes from the broccoli family. It is potentially the most versatile, multifunctional, and fundamentally essential of all plant bioactives, and as such, should be considered an important part of your diet. Why do you think Mom always told you to eat your broccoli? Because it's not just good for you, it's great for you. Another one of our products that has this amide fusion technology is Amega True. It's the only EcoCert organic certified skincare energized with amide fusion technology. Amega True products are 100% natural, and they tap into the energy of nature's best ingredients to bring you the purest skincare available. If you're ready to reverse the signs of aging, these 9 products that are in our skincare line will help rejuvenate and revive your skin and bring about a more youthful appearance. By the way, Amega is age reversed, a product line that is so innovative that it encompasses all aspects of beauty. And Amega True products are not tested on animals, for those that are wondering about that product. AmWater Actify is the first of its kind water system that offers the most profound hydration possible for every single cell in your body. The Actify unit energizes the water with zero-point energy using Amega's amide fusion technology, and it uses water straight from the tap with its state-of-the-art 9-stage filter to create alkaline water to help balance your body's pH levels. It also has purified water for drinking and taking medicine and mixing with powdered baby milk, and acidic water, not for drinking, but for skincare, face washing, bathing, shaving, and even washing kitchenware and tableware. Another one of our products is the Am Pendant Universe Collection. Worn around the neck, where you can wear them day or night to help reorganize your energy field within about a 3-foot radius. Now again, this product comes in rose gold, bronze, silver, or gold. Like the Am one, helps restore your bioenergetic field to its natural balanced condition or homeostasis. And people who wear it have also reported more strength, endurance, energy, and flexibility. The Am Pendant uses specific crystals enclosed in a titanium casing and creates an energetic bubble that helps protect the wearer from e-smog, EMFs, and other negative energies that attack our bodies on a regular basis. These are just some of the products Amega Global has developed using this exclusive amized fusion technology, and more are in development as we speak. And as I've mentioned towards the top of the call, some of these new products will be announced at our upcoming leadership meeting taking place in Malaysia, July 20th through the 23rd. And you can find out more details on this event by logging on to amegaworldwide.info and clicking on the banner on the right side of the page that says Leadership Meet. Now, in addition to good nutrition, sound mind, and healthy exercise, our body, of course, has the ability to heal and correct itself from imbalances that attack us every single day. Amized fusion technology products resonate at a 0-point energy, and they help our bioenergetic field source the life energy to release the congestion of the flow of energy in the body and harmonize the resonance of our bioenergetic field to bringing all aspects together into one. Mental, emotional, physical, and environmental, all bringing it into harmony. And Amega Global is a world leader in energetic wellness technology. Live life energized. Now, in the last few minutes we have, let's take some time to go over some items and upcoming events. We got some exciting things taking place. First of all, we've enhanced the ordering process for those of you who want to order products. You can now, by downloading a special form, fax your order to us. Attention BA support at 949-954-8566. You can also send us the order form by mail. Amega Worldwide, 16160 Scientific Way in Irvine, California, and the zip code is 92618. Or if you scan the order form, email it to us. Attention BA support at cs@amegaworldwide.com. Now, one of the best websites that we have to help share a lot of information with you, where you can look up a lot of information, the training videos, product details, find out about events that are coming up, www.amegaworldwide.info. This is a great website. I would say bookmark it on your computer so that you can go back and refer to it all the time, and you'll find out a lot of details, a lot of things that are coming up. We also have our corporate conference call taking place on Monday, June 20th, starting at 6:35 p.m. Pacific time, with our Vice President of Business Development, Calvin Starr. Again, starts at 6:35 p.m. Pacific time. The phone number is area code 218-862-1300. And when the phone call engages, you enter a special PIN number, personal ID number, 886161, followed by the pound sign. And you'll be able to join and listen to the corporate conference call update with Calvin Starr. Every Sunday and Tuesday, we also have business overviews. This is basically an overview of the Amega opportunity, the business, and our products. This takes place every Sunday and Tuesday at 6 p.m. Pacific, and the nice thing about this is it's not just here on the computer and the screen in front of you where you can watch the slides change. Somebody may be on the road. They may not have a computer, or they may not be as computer savvy as you and I are. That's okay. They can call in. In the U.S., the phone number is area code 609-318-0024. In Canada, the phone number 647-955-3754. And all they need to do once they've dialed in is enter the PIN number 504-213-3653. 305. Follow the instructions, and they will join us for these calls. Again, they take place every Sunday and Tuesday at 6 p.m. And if you're on the internet and want to watch the presentation, you could go ahead and register on amegaworldwide.info. You click on events, then webinar registration, and click on the date of the upcoming event, whether it's Sunday or Tuesday, and join us. This is a great opportunity to share with your prospects. Let us, the company, do the talking. All you have to do is have them join us on the call. We have a couple of specials I want to let you know about. One is our Amgenix DNA Share Pack. And actually, you get 2 DNA boxes. You get 30 postcards. The cost is $129, and you're actually saving more than $75 with this. And here's what you do. One of the boxes open up and take each sachet. There's 30 sachets in each of the boxes. Take one sachet out and insert it into the slit of a postcard. So it looks like that the sachet is right on the postcard. Just look at the image that's on the postcard. It'll match right up. And then share the sachet and postcard with those you know. Keep it with you at all times. Whether you're out on the road or if you're visiting family and friends, just hand them this sample and the postcard. The postcard gives you a little bit of information about the product. Here's some other things that you can do. You can even sell the second box. You can give away the second box if you want, like say you're conducting a meeting and you give it to a selected person, say raffle it off maybe at the next meeting that you have. However you want to do it, the idea is with this share pack, you have 2 boxes of Amgenix DNA to share with others to help build your business. Another one of the products that we have that's on actual special, so to speak, or at least we have a special promotion with, is our AmWater Actify water system. We talked about it earlier. It is normally about $2,800 retail, $2,900 retail, $2,500 for the BA. But what we're going to do is we have created a 3-payment option, and here's how it works. First payment you make is $1,299, and that includes a $100 processing fee. And you're going to get 60 BV associated with this. As soon as that clears, we send you your AmWater Actify, straight from the company. Then you make your second monthly payment of $799 the following month. You're going to get 60 BV. The third month takes place when you make your final payment, and the rest of the BV is issued. Plus, you're going to get paid a fast start bonus if you're the upline or the person who sponsored the person who bought the AmWater Actify. So it's right there, 3 monthly payments. Instead of paying it all at once, you can do it that way. Don't get me wrong, you can do it that way. But now you have the opportunity to make it, to split it up into 3 easier payments, and you can enjoy the water system right after your first payment. We have right now also our June enrollment special going on through the end of the month, and this is for North American BAs only, by the way. When you order, you can order a rose gold AM pendant and a classic AM wand. The retail is normally $686, but only if you enroll. This is for enrollments only. You will pay $399, and you're going to get both of these amazing products. BV is $225. It expires June 30th, and the nice thing is you get to save over $280. But this is an enrollment-only special. Take advantage of it now before the end of the month. Another great way to stay up to date on a lot of what's happening with Amega Worldwide here in North America is to get on our Facebook page. It's very easy. When you get onto Facebook, go to Amega Worldwide Inc. You type that into the search line on the top of the page. And friend us, like us. We have a lot of great information. We keep you up to date with webinars, with presentations, and we also like to have some fun with our BAs and our guests. So enjoy, join us on our Facebook page. And finally, our next webinar is going to take place on Thursday, July 7th, starting at 5 p.m. Pacific. The topic is to be determined, but we will have one, and we'll let you know that topic in advance. Here's what you can do right now. Click on gotowebinar.com. Click on the Join a Webinar button and enter the webinar ID of 244-832-057. Then you enter your email address, click Continue, enter your name, and follow the rest of the steps to complete the registration process, and we will definitely talk with you, see you then for our next webinar on Thursday, July 7th, 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Amega Worldwide and Amega Global, this is Craig Jackman in the Sales and Marketing Department. Thank you very much for taking time out of your busy schedule to join us and be a part of our webinar. And good night, everyone.